Stupid cold.
I can't see it.
I've got a crisp on my thing. That's all I can see. It's all right.
Can't see anything very good.
You can't see it. Flumps?
There should be water here. Oh, there must be water in those little holes, you
I
think?
can't see it.
They've all got their trunks in a hole.
Why can't I see
No.
it?
There's a baby one.
You've got your fingers over it.
Fingers are all
Where is it? Is that it?
So they've all got their trunks in a hole. So
It must be that tiny.
There must be some water in that hole.
Beautiful picture.
Can't see anything. I can't get anything, Uncle Jonathan.
it's quite a good picture though, isn't it?
Can you see the elephants?
Can't get them very good.
Very well.
Granny, can you please go to the...
Hang on,
They carry
Try
on.
zooming in.
Water in.
I'll hold the
I
camera.
zoomed in a little bit more.
I wonder why they're taking it from there.
Ah, maybe zooming out was the right thing.
Are they? So is that?
Oh,
You can try
Are they
again?
putting there?
Yeah.
Can you see, sir?
See what?
Where are they putting
Take
that
the
trunk?
camera off me.
It looks like into a hole. Well, if you see the baby one, the main group on the right,
Yes.
not the
I can
first
only-
elephant, the one behind
Hey,
it.
then I
the
can-
bottom there's
Yes.
a baby
now
one.
I can
Yes, I
only
see.
see a
Must be in a hole.
hand.
Yes, it looks like it.
They please move your hand. Now I can only see a hand.
I think that must
Can
be
you
your
see the
hand.
elephants, darling? Over here.
Notice,
lots
and I'm
of
holding it like this.
They're in the dry riverbed. Actually, there's
the point
water
out,
on the
yeah.
other
There
side.
you
That's what I
go
was
then.
thinking. Then why
That's a
don't
good
they?
shot.
I didn't realise.
Daddy, you moved in front of them.
Daddy.
Don't move your head up. Got it?
Are
The
they
baby
burying,
one's rolling.
Are
It's
they
like,
burying the baby one in the sand?
I think they love their sandbaths, don't they?
Mummy's going to sit on it, isn't it?
Whoops. Oh dear.
Oh,
Oh, look at
sweet.
him. Such
Daddy, I can't see your head's in the way.
That better, Felix?
Yeah.
Or you could step forward a little bit if you like, Felix.
That is gorgeous.
Well, I got a good picture, but I haven't got the baby.
That's
Can't get them very
I don't ever
good.
understand
No, I
how to
got,
get back.
got it.
It's amazing that a creature like that has been made, isn't
John,
it? So
how would I
ridiculous.
get back to take a picture from there? Oh, God, I didn't mean to do that. That's what I
I
have to
think you
do, I think.
accidentally touched that.
I did. I'm useless.
Oh no, I had to do
Oh, the
that.
baby's vanished.
It's
No, he's in the
very
hole.
easy,
So it
indeed.
won't come in there.
Oh, I like turn
I
round.
want to
See its little trunk.
I can see one elephant on top of a baby. To me.
Oh,
Tell me when's the videos. Oh, I saw the baby.
Yes, so did I. So I hope I've got it.
you've got the baby on video.
Excuse me. Tell me when the you want the video to stop.
Okay. Do you want to stop it now, Felix, or do you want to keep filming?
Keep filming that. Tell me when you want it to stop now, the filming. Don't mind really.
Look at it.
Oh,
So sweet.
I got the babies.
Definitely the Ellie, isn't it?
huge elephant's bottom there.
I think it's done now, the
Yeah, they're all
film.
turning their bottoms towards us.
Okay, all
Okay,
done.
Thank you very much.